Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford Fusion. Let's start right away up front. You have factory fog lamps. You have HID headlights, going to keep you very bright. You have a nice chrome grille as well. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmissions here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.